Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Base44 web app into Shopify. This is a fantastic way to integrate custom functionality directly into your Shopify store, allowing you to enhance your site with interactive features and personalized content. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your online store. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Click on Online Store. This section controls all aspects of your store's appearance and content. Under the Online Store menu, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you can create and manage all the static pages on your website, like About Us, Contact, or any custom landing pages you want to build. Once you're in the Pages section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button that says Add Page. Click on it to start creating a new page where your Base44 app will live. A new page editor will open up, and the first thing you'll need to do is give your page a name. Type in whatever title makes sense for your embedded app, something that clearly identifies its purpose for both you and your visitors. Next, focus on the content field where you'll normally add text and images. Look for the Show HTML icon, which usually looks like angle brackets or says something like HTML or Code View. Click on this icon to switch from the visual editor to the HTML editor. This is crucial because we'll be working directly with code to embed your app. Now, here's where we bring in some help. Use an AI tool and give it a prompt to create an F-frame code for you. An F-frame is essentially a window within your web page that displays content from another source. Once the AI generates the code, copy it and paste it directly into the content field in Shopify's HTML editor. With the F-frame code in place, it's time to connect it to your Base44 web app. Navigate to your Base44 web app and click on Publish. This will generate a shareable URL for your app. Copy this URL carefully, as this is the link that will make your app appear on your Shopify page. Head back to Shopify and look at the F-frame code you pasted earlier. Within that code, you'll see a section that says src equals. This is where you specify the source of the content to be displayed in the F-frame. Paste the URL you copied from Base44 right there after the equals sign, making sure it's enclosed in quotation marks. Finally, save your work by clicking the Save button at the top of the page. Your Base44 web app is now successfully embedded into your Shopify store, ready to provide enhanced functionality to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.